Today I'm going to talk about a tool in Kali called BeEF, and what it is, it's a browser exploitation framework, and I'm going to show you how to run it. What it does is it hooks a user's browser, and you can basically hijack it and take it over and make it their computer do things that they don't essentially want to do. So you go ahead and you start up BeEF. I'm just going to run through its scripts and stuff, and it'll start a UI on its own. There's ways to do this from a web server. That way you will have public access, but the way I'm doing it right now, I'm doing it to where we're on the same network as the other person. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my internal IP address in here, and I'm going to sign in. The username is BeEF. It's going to make you want to change the password when you first start it up. So after you do that, you're ready to go, and you can look through all this to learn more about it. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this little link right here, and we're going to email it to the victim. Now, to save time, I've already emailed it to myself, so I'm going to go ahead and open up this link. It could be any URL that you want that you can hide it. You can do it through tinyURL, but when they click on it, it'll show up whatever you want it to show, but I'm using the default. And then we'll go back over here on this computer, and you'll see that I have hooked this browser, and it tells you all the information on the machine. And you can do a lot of cool things. For example, I'm going to do like a fake little generic pop-up for credentials, and I'm going to execute it. And then on this computer, it'll pop up saying your session's timed out, and then they'll hopefully they're smart enough, but if they're not, they'll type in their user credentials and they'll hit OK and just go on their way. Now, if you come back over here and you click on this, you'll see that what they put in is test, which is the username and password I put over there. There's a lot of other cool things you can do through Metasploit and a bunch of other exploits and stuff. You can play around with their browser any way you want. You can mess around with their webcam, or you can let's see, you can link rewrite. You can't, link relight, that's what I want to do. So any link that's on their page, I'll do Google. So any link that's on the page that they're on right now will show up. Oh, I lost. There we go. For some reason it got out of focus. So I'm going to hit execute, and then the links on their browser, why is it not focusing? There. The links on their browser will send them to Google. And it's for all the links. That's pretty neat. And one last thing I want to show you is, let's see, you can redirect their browser, and you can make it go to, whoops. My bad. All right, so you can redirect their browser to go wherever you would like. So there you have it. BeEF can do a lot more things than that stuff. It can do a lot of things in the background to what am I trying to say? To be a little more discreet and less noisy, and you can set up a bunch of chains and whatnot, and you can add persistence. But there's other creators that will show you more in depth on what it can do, and you can even do this on mobile devices. So I hope you liked this video. Thanks.